we need to learn rational numbers in a detailed way. So what is rational numbers? Numbers which can be expressed in the form a by b, where a and b belongs to integers and b not equal to 0. Belongs to symbol is this, and integers can be denoted by the capital letter Z, and b should not be 0. When we say this, let me take the smallest set, natural number. Let 2 be a number, natural number. Can we call 2 as a rational number? Yes. How? 2 can be written as 2 by 1. 2 by 1 is equal to 2. So, this is a form a by b. A is integer, b is integer. That is 2 is integer, 1 is integer, and b not equal to 0. So, 2 is a rational number. Understood? So, natural numbers are all what number? Rational numbers. Next, let us come to whole numbers. In whole numbers, we have extra one 0. That is, natural numbers along with 0 is called as whole numbers. So, when you take 0, can you write 0 in the form a by b? Yes. 0 by 5. A by b. 0 is an integer, 5 is an integer, and 5 is not equal to 0. So, this 0 is also a rational number. Did you understand? So, integers are rational numbers and natural numbers also belong to rational numbers. Negative numbers, for example, minus 8. This also can be written as in the form a by b, where b is not equal to 0. That is 1 is not equal to 0. So, this is a rational number, and this is a rational number, this is a rational number, and this is also a rational number. So, what is rational number actually? Numbers which all can be written in the form a by b, where a and b are integers and b never equal to 0. Did you understand? Now, let us move to next topic, irrational numbers. Okay, now next we learn about irrational numbers. What is irrational number? Irrational numbers are numbers that cannot be expressed in the form a by b, and a comma b belongs to integers and b not equal to 0. That is, irrational numbers will not have an exact value. For example, now let me take 0.3333, it goes on, right? Can you call this as an irrational number? No, because this can be written in the form 1 by 3. What is the value of 1 by 3? 0.3333, etc. So, it can be written in the form a by b. So, this is not an irrational number. This is an rational number. Now, we know root 2. When you find square root for 2, the value is 1.4142, etc. It goes on. So, this cannot be written in the form a by b. So, root 2 is called as irrational number. Root 3. Root 3 is also same thing. 1.732, it goes on. So, this is also called as irrational number because it does not have an exact value. So, from these two numbers, we have come to a conclusion that those numbers which does not have exact value or which cannot be written in the form a by b are called as what numbers? Irrational numbers. So, these numbers, when you see, they are non-terminating. Terminating means stopping. Non-terminating, it goes on. It does not stop. So, this is non-terminating. Non-terminating. Then, non-terminating. Does the number repeats? Here 4, then comes 1, again 4, then again 2. The numbers are not repeated. So, non-terminating and non-repeating, non-terminating and non-repeating values are called as irrational number. So you may think here it is also what? Non-terminating. It goes on. It is not stopping. But here it is repeating. So non-terminating, repeating values we call as rational numbers. Non-terminating, non-repeating becomes irrational numbers. Is it clear? So this is the difference between rational and irrational numbers. Hi friends. So today we'll discuss the number system web. What is number system web? So this much days we learned what is natural numbers, whole numbers, what is integers, rational, irrational. We'll just brush once more. That is these ideas. Let us revise once more. Then we come to the number system web. So first we learned about natural numbers. Counting numbers are called natural numbers. So 1, 2, 3, etc. are called natural numbers. What is whole number system? Natural numbers with 0 is called as whole numbers. What is integers? Natural numbers 0 along with negative natural numbers. Okay, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So this becomes what? Integers. Negative numbers, positive numbers with 0 becomes integers. Then we saw rational numbers. What is rational numbers? Numbers of the form a by b. A and b are integers, b not equal to 0. Then comes irrational numbers. Numbers which does not have exact value, which cannot be written in the form a by b. Those numbers are called as irrational numbers. We saw the examples of that. 0.333, etc. This can be written as 1 by 3. So this number is called as what? Rational number. It does not become irrational. Root 2. Root 2 value is what? 1.4142, etc. So this is non-terminating and non-repeating. So once more I'll just say non-terminating and non-repeating. Non-terminating and non-repeating decimals or values are called as irrational. They will not have an exact value. So this is what we discussed. Now we can see about number system web. So we learned about natural numbers. We learned about natural numbers. Okay. Natural numbers is contained in whole numbers. So when you compare natural numbers and whole numbers, which is the biggest one? Whole numbers, because we have in it 0. Now natural and whole numbers will belong to the bigger set, integers, which is denoted by Z. Positive, negative with 0. So that is integers. So natural numbers, whole numbers and integers will come under the biggest set called as rational numbers. Rational numbers are denoted by the capital letter Q. Denoted by Q. So rational numbers. Now this is a separate set, and the other interesting set is irrational numbers, which cannot have exact value, which cannot be written as a by b, or it can be said as non-terminating, non-repeating values called as irrational numbers. Now this web comes under a big set called real numbers. What is that? Real numbers. All these numbers together comes under real numbers. That is, real numbers denoted by R is the union of rational and irrational numbers. Rational plus irrational gives you real numbers. This is the web of number system. So thank you. Have a nice day.